insizwa ngisaye empangeni ngisayobona lenyanga edumile insizwa ngisaye empangeni ngisayobona lenyanga edumile insizwa ngisaya ngakithi ngisayobona lenyanga edumile.
Thokozani. African culture is complex. Angithi. African culture is complex. So nangithi it is complex ngichaza ukuthi like thina as abangoma or as izangoma, right? Izangoma, ubungoma, it is culture, and then indlela enini nayinenza ngayo ekhaya, that is tradition. So tradition and culture differs, and then ney'ndlela zethu zokwenza thina singabangoma compared to African customs and rituals azifani, right? So sonke njengoba siphila nje, sonke sinamadlozi, right? Idlozi is an ancestry from where you come from, kula wena owazalwa khona noma wena la umoya wakho odabuka khona. Idlozi-ke lelo. So abasekhaya kini abahlangene ngawe, because remember, before thina sizovela, there were people living before us who were using the same name, who praised the same clan that you come from. So you must know where you come from in order to know where you're going. Because lento le iyafana nesitshalo, right? Thina amakhambi emvelo iy'tshalo esaziphiwa umveli nqangi, umveli kuqala. So amakhambi wemvelo, for them to prosper, they need to be deep rooted. Angithi funeke indabuko yakho njengomuntu owumnyama uyazi ukuthi wena ungubani, uqhamukaphi, udabukaphi, okay, abakini bahlangana kanjani, how is it all about, angithi. And then uzolazi-ke ikusasa lakho, you will know what you are destined for, because ekuzaleni kwethu sonke la emhlabeni, we all have a purpose and we all serve a purpose. Size la ngoba kunezinto ekumele sizenze, nezinto ekumele sizenze njengoba wazalwa kanje. You were born to accomplish a certain purpose that you were given, angithi. And then after accomplishing that purpose, umsebenzi wakho usuphelile emhlabeni, right? So it is very weird because endleleni sinabantu abayi-3, sinabantu abazalwayo and then they don't make it. Umntana azalwa esibhedlela ashona, sibe nomuntu okhulayo ozalwe akhule, and then in the long run angafiki to lesa stage sabogogo nabomkhulu, and then ashiye emhlabeni. And then kunalabo-ke aba-reach leso stage leso, they become 80, 85 years, and then they leave a mark behind. So lento leyo in the African context, i-purpose uNkulunkulu akakulethele yona, you know, mhlambe you know, because everything la emhlabeni happens for a reason. Ayikho into evesane nje iyenzeke, it all happens for a reason. So between these 3 people, you need to understand ukuthi wena ungubani, how do you come about. So le ndaba le yamadlozi ijule kakhulu, and then now converting it, because umbuzo wenu is ideologically illusional. Siza ney'phiwo, being born into this world, you're given a gift, you're given purpose. Ingakho uma uzala ubambe izandla nje. La ngaphakathi kwezandla, these are your gifts, these are what you are called for, these are your skills, these are your gifts, angithi. So thina because we are born into the Black culture, and then everything of ours is ihlangahlangene, you know, ihlangahlangene. And then you need to grow up. Into growing up, you need to find your light. and then you need to discover who you are. So thina endleleni yethu sihamba siyalahleka, and then we end up not serving our purposes, and then we become reincarnated. Usuyazaleka futhi, usuhleli phezu komuntu ophilayo manje. The reason there are a lot of incarnated people is because of that. Sizala emhlabeni, and then we do not serve our purpose. We do not serve what we are called for. So umuntu ozalwe embethe, because a lot of people do not understand this topic. Umuntu ozomtshela ukuthi wena uzalwe umbethe, like uzibona ndlondlobele, like they see themselves superior, they see themselves as these other people. Kanti no, the reason behind it, ukuzalwa wembethe, it means wena, there's a certain spirit or there's a certain person from your lineage that you are carrying, right? Lo muntu loyo uphilile kodwa ipurpose yakhe akayifezanga, so ufuna ukwedlulisela kuwena ukuthi azoba idlozi elihle, bamamukele ekhaya kini, ekhaya kubo. That is the purpose of ukuzalwa kwembethe. Usuke uzofezela lo muntu lo, noma ngabe usuke uyiwele, iwele lakini-ke lelo, or there's the spirit that you need to help gain access, avulekelwe indlela azongena bedlozi elihle. So that is the reason yokuzalwa wembethe. So like people do not understand that context, but then yiyo inhloso leyo. So makuthiwa uzalwa umbethe, it's just that when you need to understand ukuthi okay, ngembethe bani, who is this spirit, why, and then you need to find clear clarity and then act accordingly, because this thing ilahlekisa abantu abaningi. They think they're superior. Umuntu afika, mina ngizalwe ngibethe. Hayibo. It is illusional. It is illusional. Like, what is the meaning of that? When you're this person, you're carrying gifts, it is too much. You need to understand. Amagama ayakhuluma, in the spiritual realm, words are powerful. What you say, you preach what you say, and what you say comes into existence, it comes into life. That's why ngesinye isikhathi kuthiwa gada amagama akho. So thina siyalahleka singabantu bakwantu, because we do not understand who we are. We do not understand who we are. And I will dive into that topic ukuthi okay, why namhlanje kunezangoma eziningi not knowing their purposes. But then engifuna uku-elaborate, I just want to clarify that part yokuthi idlozi likhona. There's ancestors, angithi. And then after ancestors, kuba nama spiritual guide. I'm a spiritual guide. So you are blessed. Unfortunately, you are blessed. You are glorified. If like a spiritual guide, mangithi spiritual guide ngisuke ngikhuluma ngethumo, right? So ngikhuluma ngethumo noma kunabantu abake basho bathi hayi mina nginedlozi eliphilayo, umani nobabakho, those izidalwa zakho. So uma ngikhuluma ngethomo, ithongo is that spirit that was chosen for you through your ancestry ukuthi okay, lo uzokukhanyisela emaphupheni, lo uzokwenzelani, lo uzokwenzelani, because amadlozi singabantu bakwantu ngumnguni. So amanguni maningi, because remember, BC, before Christ, there were people who were living using a certain name. So it's not that those people vanish into thin air. No, their legacy continues through you. Ingakho bathi you are the footprint of your ancestors. Usukumbethela abantu there, you are carrying them. Ingakho baphinde babuye bathi umuntu ungumsamo. You are your own altar. Yebo umsamo ukhona ekhaya, laphahla kuyabikwa, kodwa wena, you are your own altar, because everywhere you go, ledlozi leli awulishiyi. Awulishiyi ledlozi leli, uhamba nalo ledlozi leli. Do understand that. I'm sorry about that. Kodwa-ke idlozi awulishiyi, uhamba nalo ledlozi. Why is that? Because you ungumsamo, right? You carry these people, so they are in your DNA. Umoya. Remember, as a person, nawe wena ophilayo ungumoya. So spirit is, it's complex. angathi nje yakhuluma ngomoya, it would take me the whole day. So kunezidalwa zakho ukuthi okay, these two people are allocated for you, right? Ibona bazokukhanyisela, ibona bazohamba nawe, ibona bazondlondlobalisa indlela zakho, ibona bazokusherela ilight, ibona bazokuvikela, ibona bazoyenza konke okubalulekile empilweni yakho. And then there's ancestors. Engakutho ukuthi mhlambe ekhaya we are 5 and then kunomama nobaba 6, 7, right? And then kulo 6, 7 sonke sisebenzisa idlozi elilodwa, umayini, sonke singomayini, sonke singomayini, kodwa iy'nhlanhla ayifani, imisebenzi ayifani, nokuvuleka kwezinto akufani, nokuyenzeka kwezinto ayifani. Bese usibuza mhlambe into zakho ayikhanyi, kusasemnyama endleleni yakho, and then nangubhuti wakho noma usisi wakho kuyakhanya, uyandlondlobala, and then you tend to ask yourself ukuthi okay, mina inkinga ikuphi ngami? Kanti no, it is because you have not yet spoken or you have not yet approached izidalwa zakho, angithi. And then or sometimes there are problems, very spiritual problems which need to be attended by a traditional healer or a spiritual foreseer, angithi. So it is that. So Tina, asi-understand le nto le, and then it becomes a surprise, and then nawe usuyashona kusasa, you become reincarnated to your own child. Kanti inkinga ukuthi you didn't understand what you were called for. So it is very important that we understand ukuthi okay, mina nguba, how do I come about? And then from there, where is life leading? For my journey, where am I going? Because samba siyalahleka, sigcwele emathaveni, akuna-purpose. Sigcwele ey'tradini, akuna-purpose. Sigcwele emakhoneni, akuna-purpose. Samba, it's a lot. It's a lot. It's a lot. When you go, awungaphumi, uthi nje uphume, just give yourself time and explore. Uhambe nje uyojika elokishini, you know, elokishini. Abelungu, they call it the location, right? Kuze kuzoba nelokishi, it was a camp. Beyenziwe camp during the apartheid session. So they were making camps to study black people and then understand, okay, who are these people? What are they? What do they do? Like, and then they blocked us from there. They blocked us from there. Basihlephelela impanzi. Like they ripped us apart. Bakhatha ama-roots. Ingakho today we do not understand ukuthi thina singobani, sazilani la emhlabeni, and then what is our purpose? Because sagadlwa lapho. Khumbula, as a black person, you are called Nasis Fagash. You are summoned from spirits, from your ancestors. You are summoned to serve a purpose. So, emhlabeni, it is to serve a purpose. Leaving a mark is part of serving a purpose. So, akekho umuntu owazalelwa nje hayi cha, mina ngizophila noma cha, mina ngizokulisa isibongo somunye umuntu kuphelele lapho. No, you are called to serve a purpose. So you need to understand your purpose. Yasibona-ke isivakashi sami, amadlozi amakhulu-ke lawo, thokozani makhehla. So ilapho bantu abadala, kunedlozi, phinde kube ney'dalwa zakho. So ekhaya singaba baningi, kodwa iy'dalwa zakho ayifani nezabo. Sisebenzisa ugogo oyedwa, umkhulu oyedwa, kodwa-ke labantu abahambi babodwa. So you need to understand it there, and then don't envy. Ubona ubhuti wakho aphumelela, fix your ways. Understand, align. Spiritual alignment is important for a black person. Spiritual alignment, going back to your roots. This is what traditional doctor, my colleague, my colleague, Dr. 911, emphasizes and then preaches. It is that going back to our roots, being stagnant. Because Siama, yes, it is true, we are stagnant. It is because we do not know our roots. And a plant mangathatha isihlahla lapha siyatshaleka siphume ngisikhiphe empandeni and then go plant it somewhere else sizofa ngobani ngoba asazi ukuthi siqhamukaphi. It doesn't have roots. It's not deep rooted. So that is the problem with us black people today. It is that we have lost amasiko, we have lost principles, we have lost ways of doing. Today, sengiyangena-ke kule ndaba. Today we have people running into church. Ngizokutshela-ke dala mandulo ngey'nkathi zabokhokho nabokhokho omkhulu, because idlozi yebo ngiyavuma it's not an easy thing to accept. And then esikhathini samanje sekubuhlungu kakhulu because people are now being scammed. Idlozi sekuyinto yokudlalela, like it's not being taken serious. Uyafika uyothwasa, they do you right ekugcineni bakulimaze. Some others see your luck before you come in, bazama ukukulimaza and block your ways. So sekwamosheka kakhulu to a point that it cannot be fixed. So sekunzima, but then through it all, there are decent people out there, and there are still people who can heal you ngokweqiniso and help you get back to your roots and help you be that person you are meant to be and serve your purpose in life. So le ndaba le yamadlozi le ndaba yamadlozi ngike ngijule ngayo nje kakhulu. Sicale la, isiphiwo sokwelapha isiphiwo leso, kodwa esani esokwelapha. Mhlawumbe wena uphiwe ukuba uthisha, it is to educate other people. Mhlawumbe wena uphiwe ukuba udokotha, yebo owesintu. It comes with like izinto oziphiwe umathongo wakho, izinto oziphiwe amadlozi wakho. It is your gifts that you came with into this world. There are people gifted to be coaches, life coaches, spiritual coaches, like nje konke kuyahluka, but then into categories we are gifted and we are called to serve. So silahle lapho thina singabantu abamnyama, singabantu bakwantu. That is why today akuhlangane endleleni zethu kuba mnyama, kube ney'xaka, and then we are stuck in the same place, not moving forward, not knowing ukuthi ngiyakuphi nje. You get my point? So ilapho-ke le nto lena. So ngifuna ukuqhaza nje ngale ndaba le yamadlozi. Akuzothiwa kuwena unedlozi, you need to understand, okay, nginedlozi, le dlozi leli ubala, kabe ubala liqhamukaphi? Like, be questionable, like ask those questions, find clarity, because kuzothiwa unedlozi, boom, gilikili, usuyathwasa wena, boom, usuyenza izinto esingazazi. Only to find out that is what you're not called for. It is what you're not called for. Kunabantu emhlabeni singaluthani. People will hey, abantu bazokulutha, will mislead you, and then you fall into that trap. Bazokulutha abantu ayinto yokudlala. Bakhona abantu abaphiwe, mina ngizonitshela ngami, ukhokho wami, ugogo, uma kagogo wami, ukhokho kumina ngithi, uma kagogo wami was gifted ngesiphiwo sani so-profit. She didn't need to go to to a traditional institute ayothwasa azoprofita. No, she was gifted, bekuyisiphiwo sakhe azalwa naso. Bothi ufika nje kugogo umtshele nje into, gogo ngihlushwa lokhu, agijimele nje simo sesiprofit, kunje uyibuzele umuntu. Kanti no, it is the gift that she was given. So other things do not need ukuthi uyoyikhuphula, cha, azidingi lokho. Zidinga ukuthi u-understand ukuthi uba wena kuza kanjani lokho endleleni yakho, and then work with that, because today bakhona, I don't want to lie, bakhona abantu abaphiwe abasebenzayo ngaleyo ndlela leyo, but then they do not need to go to a certain people to help them upgrade. No, because akungayenza lokho kuzovaleka konke ngoba akusona isiphiwo sakhe, akuyona into ayibizelwe leyo. So you need to understand ukuthi wena unguba uza kanjani, and then lokho kuzokusiza kanjani endleleni yakho. Right? So ngibuyisele-ke kule nto le ekuthiwa thina siney'phiwo, right? So isimo sokuprofitha noma to foresee, ukubonela abantu noma ukubonela umuntu, siza kabili. Siza kabili. Nangithi siza kabili, engiqhaza ukukuzwa ukuthi kuyaprofitwa, angithi uprofitha ukukhuphuka komoya, ukhiphe ukhulume nje, ukhuluma umoya wena, ukhuluma umoya wena, ukhuluma umoya wena, ukhuluma umoya wena. Isiprofitho leso, isiprofitho leso. Usebenzisana nani? Sebenzisana nesithunzi. Bese edlozini nakhona kunjalo, kodwa it differs. It differs because isithunywa siyafika manje sikhulume nawe. Usendaweni ubona umuntu, sifike isithunywa saloyo muntu loyo sihlale phezu kwakho, sikuhlaziyele. Ufika wena ukhulume naye not knowing, wena uzoyitshela ukuthi qha uyayikhulumela, kanti kusuke kulesi sithunywa sakubo, sithunyelwe kuwena ukuthi awusebenze ngalo muntu, umsize abuye endleleni yakhe, akwenze okuqondile, alungise iy'ndlela zakhe. So isithunywa sisebenza kanjalo. So nedlozi lisebenza kanjalo, but then now idlozi liyakhwazwa. Inkosi yami ivakashi. Idlozi liyakhwazwa. You call it, you know that phase. That phase is the process of calling idlozi. Usuke ungekho idlozi ngaleso sikhathi, uyalibiza, you summon it. It's a spirit. You summon it. And then ulihlangabeza. So through gida, you know, you uzama ukulihlangabeza. And then lifike lihlale kuwena likhulume. So that is how it works. Thokozani. Yo, madoda. Cha, ngicela ningangilimazi. I'm just doing my work. Hey, bafuna ukungishaya ngoba ngiyanifundisa. Bathi kumele nihlale ninje. Akusinjalo makela. Hey, unyambozi bayakhala. Thokozani. Bantu abadala. It is that. So we need to understand ukuthi endleleni zethu kunjani. How do we come about? And then thina la emhlabeni sizele. So idlozi nethunga lisebenza kanjalo. So today you find ukuthi a lot of people bathwasile kodwa into zabo ayihambi kahle. Today you find that a lot of people bathwasile kodwa abasebenzi. Today you find that a lot of people, inkinga lapho yazi isuke yapha kusekuthenini mandulo abogogo babephiwa lesi siphiwo, but then they didn't want to accept it. Angithi babangafuni ukwamukela idlozi. So what they would do was that they would babalekele esontweni, you know, babalekele esontweni. Ingakho namhlanje emasontweni sithola kuney'profitho, kunabantu abanzima ngokuprofitha. It is because babe balekela le calling, baya emasontweni. Bese-ke nawe, this person comes back reincarnated, kuthiwa ukuthi bekumele ayoba yisangomo kodwa wabalekela esontweni. So he comes back reincarnated, bese sekuthiwa uzale wembethe ugogo sogijima ngezinto eziso sesimo sokufemba leso. Nabantwana abafembayo. I don't dive into it that much. Yiso-ke leso simo leso. And then uthola ukuthi yebo kuyavuma, yebo kunjalo gogo. And then now wena you've gone there, usuqedile, and then into zakho ayikhanyi, usuthwasile esigodlweni, qala umayeni, uyasebenza, unamakhambi, unako konke, ushaya ney'nhloko, ushaya amathambo, uchitha amathambo ubone, kodwa-ke nakhu sekumnyama. And then you ask yourself ukuthi inkinga ikuphi? Kanti no, wena wakwenza konke, wakwenza ngendlela eqondile, kodwa loya moya, wona lo moya okumbethe azange uwenze kahle, azange ugezwe, wahlanjululwa, kwasusa lawo macala phezu kwakho. And then kuba mnyama endleleni yakho. So that is not always the case, but in most instances it is that ukuthi if iy'nto zakho zonke uyenze ngendlela eqondile kodwa kuhlangane, there's a problem behind it. There's a problem behind it. Engakho nasilapha, I highly advise ukuthi nasilapha we go back. Singathi nje siyabona, okay, boom, nakho-ke kunesichitho, hhayi boom, nakhu kuphehlwa amanzi amnyama. No, we need to understand ukuthi okay, lesi sichitho sisuka kuze kuzoba kusukaphi, because if uyabheka you might find ukuthi cha, kwabasekini bashaya ngey'chitho, bese wena siyasibona namhlanje, hhayi boom, siyasibhala, kusasa siphinde sikhiphe futhi. We need to go back and understand ukuthi kusukaphi lokhu. Kuthiwa phehlwa amanzi amnyama ekhaya, kusukaphi? Uzothola ugogo nje, ugogo wakho uzalayo, ube umthakathi omkhulu, aphehla amanzi, vele angafuni abantwana baphumelele, like you know, it is a lot, it is a lot. So we need to understand ukuthi konke kubuyaphi and then work with it accordingly, because ingakho silahleka endleleni zethu, ingakho izinto zingahlangani, ingakho usendaweni eyi-one uthi uzama lokhu kuyakufeyila, uthi uzama lokhu kuyakufeyila, uthi uzama lokhu kukufeyile, and then uhambe usuke usuphakama, usuyaphakama ufuna usizo, uye ebantwini bakugile abantu, bathathe iy'mali zakho, bakuthi bahlale ngawe, benzeni. Kanti the problem isuka mandulo, isuka mandulo. So you need to understand that. You need to understand that. Ingakho namhlanje maybe this message was created for you. Mhlambe namhlanje kuthiwa ngikhulume nawe. Kodwa-ke there are people who are born to break generational curses. Mangithi generational curse, ngithi into eyashaya abogogo, yazoshaya abazukulu, izoshaya izizukulwane, ishaye nanawe, ishaye nabakho. It is a continuous cycle. So there are people abazalelwe lokho to break generational curses. Njengathi nje, cha, mina ngizokutshela iqiniso, ekhaya bangasifuni lesi siphiwo. They rejected it. Ngisho uza uma wasiphiwa lesi siphiwo, wasinqaba, bavalana nabo ugobela, kwathi heyi kwaba nzima. Sandlulela kuma wasinqaba naye, heyi angilazi-ke idlozi lizoyenza njani ngaso simo. Boom, sekudlulele kuthina. So I cannot reject this thing as it is reincarnated in me. So nami ngasinqaba, kuzobheda vela, akukho kuzolunga. So I'm not saying ukuthi sonke sinamadlozi qha, but it is deep. So you need to understand ukuthi wena ungubani and what you are rooted for. Understand? Yes. Kunabantu abaphiwe ukuthi cha, wena uzoba igedla, wena uzokhipha umuthi, uzofuna umuthi, uzolapha abantu ngomuthi, uzosiza abantu. Kodwa-ke abantu, nangithi abantu, angikhulumi ngama-masses, because the problem is that thina umuntu azokutshela ngabantu, heyi usuqabanga amamiliyoni, usukubale konke. Cha, I'm talking about 10 to 30 people. 10 to 30 people, like nje, you are the best at what you do. So you need to understand ukuthi wena ungubani, uzalwaphi, ukanjani wena, you know. and then siyibuyisele kule ndaba le yomlanjwana. Umlanjwana, I did once explain and I'm going to explain it again. Umlanjwana umuntu owazalelwa umntana kagogo nomkhulu. Angithi umntana kagogo nomkhulu, wena wazalwa kodwa you were born out of wedlock, azange wahlawulwa, azange wayenzelwa amasiko, azange washadwa. Ngisho nabasekini ekhaya kini kabo baba azange nje beze abazobiwa. So isimo esinjalo sithi wena umntana kaboma wakho, awusasumntanakho, umntana kibo. Yebo uma wakho, kodwa wena umntana kagogo nomkhulu, and then uzosebenzisa isibongo sakagogo nomkhulu, uyoshada, uyokhulisa leso sibongo ngoba umntana walapho. So I hear these things, sekuthiwa ubaba bakho useshonile, nangusiza nabogogo bakho sebazokubanga, ubanga zidalwa. Ey'ntweni ezinjalo bakwethu, ey'ntweni ezinjalo kuzodinga sibuyele emandulo. Kuzodinga ukuthi sibuyele emandulo and understand ukuthi okay, leyo nkinga leyo isukaphi, kuze kuzoba njalo kusukaphi. Mhlawumbe ayizwa ngoba bakho, mhlawumbe iza ngabogogo. Ubugogo babephika abantwana, ekuhambeni kwesikhathi baphinde bazobafuna abantwana. It happens kukaningi. as I'm saying ukuthi African spirituality is complex. So nathi singabelaphi bendabuko sidinga ukuthi sibumbane, sakhane, sindlondlobalisane, singamonelani. Because as practitioners, we are all gifted differently. Angeke wena ube uMakgonatsotle qha, lokho akukho, lokho akukho. Angeke wena ube uMakgonatsotle. Kunababelethisi, kunabathandazi, kunabaprofethi, kuney'ngilosi zamanzi, kuney'ntshingitshane, kuney'gedla, kuney'nyanga ey'shaya amathambo, y'shaye iqithe. It's a lot. So angeke wena lapha wonke umuntu and angeke sikubange lokho. So today it is crucial. Kunzima izinto esizibona la ngaphandle. Kunzima impela, angifuni ukungasho. Kodwa-ke what I can say to that is that be careful, bafethu, be careful. It is a crucial world out here, and then sonke sifuna udumo, sonke sifuna ukuphumelela, sonke silambile. So know ukuthi uyaphi and know what you work with, you know, because some other people are gifted in helping ukuthi cha, mina vele isiphiwo sami ukuthi ngizosiza abantu, and then labo bantu they are looked down upon, abathathelwe ekhanda because bayanyathwa nazo lezo zichitho, lezo zimo lezi ezibahluphayo. Kodwa the main important factor is that bayangabazwa. So do not doubt your ancestors, and then if they show you something, do it, because ngesinye isikhathi indlela zokukhuluma abantu abadala nabakhuluma ziningi kakhulu, ngayiqhaza nje ijulile. Ngafika umoya wena uthi uhamba nje estadini, ufika umoya wena uthi cha, ake nje uzame la. Hello, unjani bhuti? Hey bhuti, you know, like when such a spirit comes, do it. Kusuke kuyidlozi likhuluma nawe. Emaphupheni, you dream of such people. It's another story, that one. It's another story. It will take the whole day. But then, ebengizama ukukusho namhlanje ukuthi let's just go back to our roots, guys. Let's go back to our roots, because silahle amasiko, ubona sibaningi nje sixakekile, sibaningi nje sisebumnyameni, siyathatha siyabonelana nje. It is because we have lost our roots. So what I wanted to emphasize today was that zazi uzakhe, you know, because the time of change is now. You know, the time of prosperity is now. You know, the time of purpose is now. So there is no better time than the present. Be uprooted in spirit, and yeah, man, zazi ukuthi ubani, find your ways, fix your life, bafethu, because ikusasa laziwa. Mhlawumbe you were called to be a billionaire, kodwa you are stuck in the dump, not knowing ukuthi uzokwenza njani. So just get up and seek help, man. Just get up and seek help. Do it. It is your own life. Mawenza into umuntu awumntsheli ngoba nabo usathana abaphilayo who will try and block that thing from happening. Kuthiwa hey, engithola umsebenzi kuphi, they block it. Yaphela umsebenzi. Engithola imoto, uginqike nayo imoto. Like there's a lot. So empilweni uyi-one, wazalwa uyi-one, uyophila uyi-one. So izimo zakho aziqondani nawe. By that time uthi hayi bafowethu sekunjalo, sekhona imoto, sekunjalo, sekuwumsebenzi nje, akube njalo. They do not need to know everything, because an open book is deadly, you know. So kumele sizazi ukuthi thina singobani, and then sisebenze ngendlela eqondile and just fix our ways. So if namhlanje wena usenkingeni, you do not know who you are, and then you seek clarity, get up, man. Phakama uyofuna usizo, uze ebalapini bendabuko, noma ubuze basekhaya kini about your ancestral lineage. Singobani, siqhamukaphi, kanjani. Ask your mother, even if bangasazwani nabo baba, but do find clarity, man, so that you fix your life, because today you are stuck in this situation you are stuck on. Ngiyabona lapho kumnyama endleleni yakho bongeke uze ubuke le nto kuthiwa konke nje kuhamba kahle, kodwa kuyabheda namhla esimeni sendlela yakho ngenxa yenxushunxushu nezinto ongaziqondisisanga nokulimala useyingane nezitshitshi kuningi kuningi ngakubala kushonile. Kodwa-ke esimeni sakho mfethu ngithi phakama uzofuna usizo. Yebo, yebo bazokumonela bakutshela ukuthi hayi loyo wengane loyo wazi loyo. Yebo, yebo, kodwa-ke mina ngasalela lo msebenzi. Yingakho abantu abafika la ekhaya bakuthole ukuphila, babuye bajabule, babuye bazobonga. Ngisho nangomlingo kuthiwa uzongizama la ekhaya uphinde ungibonge ngoba idlozi lekumina liyaphila, laliphiwe le nto le. So asiphakameni bafowethu, yebo angigcuki hlali cha, kodwa-ke idlozi lami liyaphila. It is purpose given. Yabona. So you need to understand such things. Angeke sonke usithole sifake ubuhlali and anything would help you. Cha, sonke silambile. Be careful kuleyo ndawo. So so yeah, man, let's go back to our roots and then understand ukuthi ancestry comes about in into leyo. Yabona. Si-understand-e lokho, sekele nje ukuqindezelana sibukelane phansi simonelane. Cha, phakama mfowethu, phakama ulungise isimo sempilo yakho. Mntakama, phakama, phakama. Ngiyabona uyazala lapho, ngiyakubona uyazala, bayakushiya ulibele nje ubhizi namadoda. Uyayithola indoda eqondile ukuthi hhayi le awuthi ngiyibambe, umzalele umntana akushiye, omunye akukhwele akushiye. Kuningi, kuningi. Angifuni ukukuphula, angifuni ukukuphula umoya, kodwa ngikhuluma nawe namhlanje. Phakama lapho ukhona uzongivakashela. Ngithi ungakuphi, ungakuphi, ungakuphi. Hheyi, umuntu ofuna usizo, usizo liyahanjelwa, usizo liyahanjelwa, usizo. Nawufuna usizo uyalihambela usizo. Mina, usizo liyahanjelwa bakwethu. Usizo, nawufuna usizo, usizo liyahanjelwa. Phakamani, phakamani. Nizokuthola ukuphila, akekho uthakathi umuntu. Cha, umona nenhliziyo embi ifa lezibula, ifa lezibula. Loko nje angikubeke nje ungezwe ubani. Lezo y'nqumo lezo ifa lezibula. So akuphakameni bafethu, akuphakameni, phakamani, phakamani. Umuntu ofuna ukuphila, ukuphila uyakuhambela, ukuphila uyakuhambela. Nawufuna nje into zakho y'gijime, kukhanye, kuqhame konke, phakama ukuhambele ukuphila. Ngithi ngangikuphi ngiyazama ukuza kini, kodwa cha, anginawo amandla, anginawo amandla. Mina ngisunguNkulunkulu, anginako konke, but my purpose ukuthi ngisize wena uphumelele empilweni, uzazi ukuthi ubani, kukhanye endleleni zakho. So angizilanga nje la ukuzoxhumana nabantu, cha. Mina bafowethu ngisebenza ngo-100 rand ngoba phela angeke ngize ngihlale la esigodlweni ngithi cha bengilinde u-50 rand. Cha, ngiyaphuma ngiyosebenza mina, ngiyaphuma ngiyosebenza mina, elami idlozi alivelaphi, ngiyaphuma ngiyosebenza. So ungafika kumina ngisho kuthiwa kuyabheda wena, abadala bazongihlaziyela, but nje asilweleni ukulungisa iy'mpilo zethu. Ziningi izilwane zongihlupha, nizalwane nizofuna imithi yamadoda, nifuna ukwenzani? Cha, umshado uyabanjwa, umshado uyabanjwa. Ungazuzala kumina uzofuna into onganaso nesiqiniseko saloyo muntu loyo. Kulezi zinga leli angidlali, uzokupha into ixake, kunakubuyela emuva. Uzokukhipha isomitha lapho, asofuna ukubuyela emuva, uzophuma amamitha. Kodwa-ke bafowethu asiyeke lesi isitori sangelinye ilanga ningithinte nje kuzo zonke iy'nkundla zokuxhumana. Thokozile Mayeni Mnguni, Thokozile Mayeni insizwa kaMnguni. Iy'namba zami zizodwa bo, ayikho enye ozophinde uyithole, u-073 538 1402, 073 538 1402. Ya. ya amandla wami angeke ngiwaveze kodwa ngisebenza nje ngezinto ey'ningi ey'julile. So anginawo ama-products mina bakwethu ekhemesti angikakabi nawo amandla okuba ikhemesti, kodwa ngizoke ngicele edlozini lami ekuhambeni kwesikhathi nami nasengibona ukuthi hhayi kulesi sigaba lesi sengikhulile, awuthi-ke ngithi-ke ngibonge idlozi ngibaphakamise ngale emsebenzini wabo. Khani-ke izoba nayo i-herbal shop, kodwa okwamanje my products are custom made bafowethu. So noma ufunani uzongitshela ukuthi hayi cha baba ngihlushwa isimo esinje, ngidinga ukuthi nje ngikudidiyele ngikuhlanganise, it is custom made, ngiyenza ubhekile nawe la esigodlweni uzobe unami, ngiyenza ubhekile. Nawusekhaya ngizokudidiyela ngikuhlanganise kahle ngendlela ngikuthumele, ngithi ungakuphi eMzansi, uMzansi wonke iyafika i-product yami, ifika kuwena ngqo noma uhambe uyoyilanda somewhere. So sisebenza ngo-Aramex, like Aramex uyenza sure ukuthi i-product yami iyafika kuwena ngqo. Usemsebenzini usekhaya bazofika bami abasebenzi bami bakhapheli bami ebathunyelwe idlozi lami, bazofika bazokokota kuwena bathi qa silethe i-product makhosi amakhulu. Mangabe-ke lokho kuzokuxaka, mhlawumbe uhlala nabantu awufuni bazi izinto zakho, uzongipha-ke sisebenza ngo-Pexi, bathi u-Pexi sisebenza ngo-Pexi. Uzongipha iy'ngcinga zakho, ungiphe ama-serial number nje, sizokhulumisana phezu kwaleso simo leso, bese uzohamba uyoyilanda i-product yakho somewhere. And then iy'washo, cha iy'washo zona ziyathakwa vele, iy'washo they are ready made. Ufuna isiwasho senhlaka, ufuna amaphendiselo, ufuna impi, nje konke iy'washo kodwa ay'khona zona. Ufuna esesiqithu, ufuna esobumnyama, nje iy'washo zikhona seziyenziwa vele ezokugeza kususwe lawo mathunzi lawo. Ya konke isiwasho nawufuna uzongitshela la kumina, ngiyiphethe la ziyinqwaba. Uzongitshela ukuthi ufunani ngikukhandele abese iyaphoswa-ke ifike kuwena. Ya so nginithanda nonke bafethu, angikhethe ibala ledlozi. Okwamanje sisazama ukudlondlobala. Ikhemesti ngizoyivula, ngizonazisa nje, nina nilibele nje ningilandele ey'nkundleni zokuxhumana, sizathu ukukhuluma lapha nakhona okuvelayo ngizonazisa. Wena njengamanje phakama uze la kumina uzongibona, ngoba leso simo sakho sidinga noqobo lwami. Uzohamba angeke ngikuluthe nani, anizofika ngizonitshela bukela le video, ngiyakhumbula ngikutshela ngikubukela le video sihleli esigodlweni, uzokhumbula kahle. Nenze njalo bafowethu, ngiyanithanda nonke, angikhethe ibala ledlozi. Ngisegoli eDaveyton, eBarcelona, East Rand eKurulile, ngiseBarcelona. Abadala enkosini abadala abakasiphi enye indawo yokusebenzela, kodwa-ke kuzathi mhlazane sekuvuleka kuba ney'ndawo zokusebenzela, sizokhona ukuthi sihambele abantu, mhlawumbe siyohlangana eBizana, eMthatha, emakhaya, eLimpopo, eMpumalanga, nje ngiyayibala zonke ley'ndawo, kodwa uMzansi bafowethu siwubheke wonke. Sithi sinithanda nonke, asikhethi ibala ledlozi. Phakamani lapha enikhona, nizofuna ukuphila. Nginithanda nonke, ngiyavalelisa manje. Ningangithinta-ke ezinombolweni zami 0735381402, ngizophinda futhi 0735381402. Ya nabafuna ukuqinisa iy'moto ngokunjalo nizofika la kumina, ney'mbiza zonke y'khona. Ya nje zikhona iy'mbiza zami, ya ezama-HIV, ezamangqulaza, umdlavuza, nje konke okunihluphayo. Ningasabi ukushaya uqingo, uDoctor ukhona uphilela nina. Ya ngiyanihambela, ngiyanithanda kakhulu.
Insizwa ngisaye empangeni, ngisayobona le nyanga edumile. Insizwa ngisaye empangeni, ngisayobona le nyanga edumile. Insizwa ngisaya ngakithi, ngisayobona le nyanga edumile.